guys, what is up? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and welcome to Ray's Cakes. Now today's video I am going to be making some Fortnite cupcakes. Now I wanted to do something different. I have done numerous cakes before. You guys have seen me use this. This is actually, these are from JB Cookie Cutters. This is actually a treasure chest. This is Cuddle Team Leader. This is the Loot Llama, and this is the Fortnite logo. I have used these numerous times. I love JB Cookie Cutters. If you're new around here, please go check them out and support them. And as for texture mats, I have always used these texture mats. I have 2 of these. I do the cobblestone because there is cobblestone in Fortnite because my son is a very avid player. So I have this that I use for like when they build with sheet metal and stuff. And then of course I have wood grain, but I also have these texture mats, which I haven't used much of, but these are really nice wooden planks. And this is just wood, but this is like a wooden plank, and it's actually got like the nail decal or details in them. So I may just end up using this for some toppers. And then there is a brick wall, which I might use as well. I also have this really cool steel looking, steel plated mold that I probably might use, and I will use this as a background. As far as some accessories, I do have this gun. Now, my son, I was talking to my son. I said, how can I make this? I said, is there a gun in Fortnite that looks like this? He said, yes, there is, Ma. He told me the colors. He was showing it to me. I'm like, okay, cool beans. And I also have, if I can pick it up, I do have this. Now, I did look online. There are a bunch of bullets that match these. So this would be fine. And I also have this gun mold, which I think is a little bit smaller, which might be it is a lot smaller, that I might actually use instead. Now this is supposed to be a revolver, but my son said there are definitely guns in the game that looks like this as well, and these little teeny tiny bullets might be a better option for me. So like I said, I don't know how much of this I'm going to use, how much I'm not going to use. There are a couple things that I want to cut freehand, so I don't know. Let's just see where these toppers take us, and let's just jump right into it. I have talked enough. Let's go. Okay, so I tried to use the plastic texture mat, but I don't know what the deal with it was. The pattern, the details weren't coming through very clearly, and no matter how much cornstarch I used, the fondant kept sticking to it. It just was not working out for me. So I ended up going with my True Blues. I tried really hard to use these texture mats. They just weren't cutting it, but I ended up going with the hard pink textures, and they worked much better, and it looked like the Loot Crate. right, guys, so our Fortnite round 3 or 4 cupcakes are done. I wanted to definitely do something different. I am a little upset that this little gun did break, but I think it'll be okay. I did lose the eye to this, but of course, easy fix because there's 2 T's. You just clip it off. I really love the Mr. Tomato guy. I think he came out super great. I love this texture look that I got from the mold. Mr. Peely was pretty easy to do. The Durr Burger, which I do have something on there, a little scratch, but he came out rather nice as well. I do like the bullets. I did look up Fortnite bullets and I do have them matching. I don't know if they're like similar to real life, but yeah, if you're a Fortnite fan, you would notice that the blue background is from like a crate, a loot crate. Of course, colors are blue and purple from the Loot Llama. Of course, we got the logo. That's a skin. This, so I kind of went off of the Fortnite Nerf gun. Not so much the, it's a little piece of, oh. Alexa, turn off alarm. Not so much the actual skin, but I just went ahead and went based off of the Dark Llama, Nerf gun. So it's like purple, like a dark purple red. So I went ahead and did that. But yeah, and then this is the zombie cuddle team leader. I really don't like how she came out, but it is what it is. I still think she's pretty cool looking, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some ideas for your Fortnite cupcakes if the occasion arises that you will need them. I will also, of course, post links down below for any tools that I used. If I can find this mold, I'll link it. If I can find that mold, I'll link it. Most of this stuff, I believe, is on Amazon. So, and the molds that I used, or the cutter set that I used for the Cuddle Team Leader and Fortnite, is on JB Cookie Cutters, and I will link them as well if they are still available. All right, guys, so that is going to wrap this up for today's video. Thank you again so much for watching today's video. I appreciate all your love and support, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, have a great and marvelous day.